that mentors can shorten your experience by half. They save you from going through a lot of losses, problems that every entrepreneur might have to go through along the line. Are you thinking of starting a business? Here are 10 things you need to know before you start. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. Ten things you need to know before you start a business. Number 1, what problem are you solving? What problem are you solving that your potential customers are willing to pay for? Everyone has a problem. This is called value proposition. You need to know that no one will give you their money if you are not solving a problem. You need to provide value to be able to get the money from your customers. Number 2, who is your target audience? Who are the people that what you have, goods or services, can be sold to? For example, I'm in dire need of water. Probably I'm walking on the streets and I'm really thirsty, and you're bringing me food. I most likely will not buy that because I'm not in need of that at that moment. So you need to know your demographics, your psychographics, and your geographics. Number 3, know your niche, know your industry. Do you really know about the industry that you're going into? Do you really know the niche that you are going into? Do you know the industry? Do you know what the industry needs at that particular time? Do you know what opportunities that you'll be able to take advantage of in that industry? You need to do your research and know really what that niche and what that industry needs at that particular time. Number 4, prepare a good business plan. Now that you know the business you want to start, you need to put it down in writing. This is good for you as an entrepreneur to know what you really plan on doing and how efficient and how profitable it will be for you at the long run. Taking this business plan to partners, taking it to investors, helps them understand what you really want to do and if you really do know what you are trying to do. Number 5, know your numbers. Do you know how profitable your business will be in the long run? Do you know your pricing, your budgets, your cash flow, your expenses, and lots more? As a business owner, you need to be financially literate. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. Number 6, reach out and source for mentors. Did you know that mentors can shorten your experience by half? They save you from going through a lot of losses, problems that every entrepreneur might have to go through along the line. So TLI is offering a business mentorship program for you. To become a member of this community, kindly follow us on all our social media handles below. Number 7, you need to know your strengths and your weaknesses. This is a very important part of business. This helps you to understand what you have to offer that is better than what your competitors have, or what might be a loophole in your business. You can figure this out by researching on SWOT analysis. This includes your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and your threats. Do you know your competitors? Now, if you've done a SWOT analysis, this helps you also understand who your competitors are. Within your business niche, there are other businesses struggling for your market share, and you need to be at the top of your game to be able to get your market share from them. To be able to be above your competitors, you need to understand their strengths, their weaknesses, their opportunities, and their threats. Pretty much like their SWOT analysis too. You need to know this to be able to be at the top in your business environment. Number 9, what licenses, permits, documents do you need? Before starting a business, there are certain licenses, there are certain documents that you need to have as a business owner. For example, CAC documents. You need to register your business in Nigeria with CAC before you can be acknowledged as a full business. You also need to have a secretary, have a business account, and the list goes on. Every business needs to have this to avoid problems with the government or the regulators. Number 10, keep learning. As an entrepreneur, you need to keep learning. It never stops and it never ends. Business comes up with new trends and information that you need to keep knowing. You could do this by learning a skill, by reading books, and learning directly from other entrepreneurs in your field. TLI offers a bunch of skills for entrepreneurs such as yourself. To gain access to the varieties of skills we offer, kindly click on the link below. If you enjoyed watching this video, remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification button. Thank you.